Hi darling parents, this is Naren from Wow Parenting with yet another beautiful episode on how is it that you can help your child to perform beautifully well in their exams. Enough research shows that a child who finds time to revise does really well in exams. Research shows when I read something once or when I listen to something once, in about 3 days' time, the maximum I will recollect will be 10%. And if I revise it once, my memory goes up to 40%. And when I revise it again, my memory retention becomes 80% plus. So let's say today I am learning about gravity in school. So today it's gone in and I'll remember about 10%. After a week, if I can revise it again, I will remember 30 to 40%. And before exams, when I revise it again, I will be able to recollect 80% plus. And all of us are smart enough to fill in the balance 10-15% data and therefore produce a beautiful answer sheet. Hence, in Wow Parenting, we say, be wise and revise. Now, when I say revise, I'm not saying mug it up again. First time when you study to understand. Second time when you study to find out what you remembered and go through what you've forgotten. Third time when you study, now when you study, you will find it is becoming a part of your system. You will not have to go through the pain of mugging it up. You will find it is settling in properly and you are able to recollect it at the right time, the right way. Hence, you want your child to do well, that's an established fact. Help them to do well by revising. So what do we say? Be wise, revise. Wish you all the best and love you so much.